this girl is gonna try some tea. So they're called XP Brew. They have sent me a little taster box to try, which looks like this. I do like the design. I do really like the fact that it's like vintage gamey kind of vibes. That's cute. They sent 3 different flavors in this, which is cool. Carry Me Cranberry. You can see that. That's cute. Dark Choc Cherry. And Spicy Passion Power Up. And this is a chili flavored. It's got chili and passion fruit, so I'm kind of scared of that one. Let me just quickly read you out what this says about the caffeine on this. So it's 100 milligrams of caffeine, 10 grams of cane sugar, but so it's not sugar-free, but it's not artificial, which is good. There's vitamins and natural cognitive enhancers. It's designed to avoid crash or jitters you get from the other energy drinks. So I think because it's like a slow release kind of situation of caffeine, you're not going to crash like you would in like the other kind of places. And it's vegan! We will be trying cranberry first. Smells good though. I actually didn't expect that to be that good. That's really nice. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is gonna be a problem for me. This is really nice. I find with regular tea that when it's like a flavored tea, it doesn't taste necessarily like the flavor that it is. In my opinion, I feel like you can kind of taste a hint, but it doesn't taste like it. This actually does taste like cranberry, and it's sweet. And I know that it says that there's 10 milligrams of cane sugar, but that's not the artificial sugar, so it's naturally sweet, which is better than it not, you know? Better than having the artificial sweetness, but oh, I think there's like 45 calories as well. This one's the dark choc cherry one. That smells like chocolate. Can't smell the cherry, but I can smell the chocolate. It's good, the chocolate's strong. It is, and I checked the back, it's not like, and there's no milk products or anything. I'm pretty sure these are fully vegan. So, we are good to go. We are safe. Okay. That tastes like cherry Coke. That's nice as well. This. I'm annoyed. I'm like messaging like, hey guys. So can you send me more? Just a fan. Big fan. Send me it for free. Please. Okay, I'll stop. That's actually really nice though. It does taste like a hot cherry Coke. That's how I can accurately describe that, I would say. The last one, which I'm actually kind of scared about this one, I'll be so honest. I'm scared because it's chili and I cannot do spicy things at all. Not capable, but I'm just hoping it just has like the flavor without the spice a little bit, but it says spicy passion, so I have a feeling I'm going to be crying by the end of this one. It's spicy. I feel like a normal person would be fine with that. That's spicy. That's spicy, I'll be honest. Like, that went straight to my throat.
That's what she said!
In a good way, it's definitely what it says it is. It's definitely what it says it is, but I could... It's kind of like a porn star martini with too much vodka in it. That's how I'm seeing it right now. But you know. My favorites. My favorites are these two. So cranberry, 10 out of 10. Chocolate cherry, 9 out of 10, just because like it's good. It's really good. It's just not something I would go for every day. I feel like that's a very particular taste kind of situation, but it's still very good. Spicy, however, it's definitely doing its thing, so I feel like I can't rate it low, but for me, as a little bitch, I'll cry if I have more of that, I'll be honest. I feel like it tastes exactly like how it's meant to, so I'll give it an 8 out of fairness. I reckon it is probably really good for the people that like spicy things, but other than that. But either way, big shout out, XP Brew. Big fan of your work. I'm glad they're good as well, but now I'm sad because like I ran out. Pretty much, well no, they sent me 2 of each. But oh, one more and it's done. The cranberry one's so good. Oh my god. That cranberry one is insane.